Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Invisalign ultrasonic cleaner on the market, the Wuven Ultrasonic Dental Cleaner. If you're someone who wears Invisalign, braces, or even dentures, you know how important it is to keep your aligners and dental accessories clean. With this portable and efficient device, you can maintain your dental tools without the hassle of manual cleaning. Let's take a closer look at this powerful little machine and how it works. The Wuven Ultrasonic Dental Cleaner uses 43 kHz high-frequency sound waves to clean your aligners, dentures, mouthguards, teeth whitening trays, and even jewelry. These sound waves penetrate the gaps and grooves of your dental items, thoroughly removing stubborn stains, plaque, and any other residue. The ultrasonic technology works from all angles, giving you a comprehensive clean that traditional methods just can't match. One of the standout features of this cleaner is how simple it is to use. No more scrubbing or soaking for hours. Just add water, place your items in the cleaning chamber, and with a simple one-touch control, the cleaner gets to work. It runs a cleaning cycle of about 5 minutes, and the transparent cover lets you easily monitor the progress. This makes it perfect for anyone looking to save time while ensuring their aligners and dental accessories remain spotless. Now, you might be wondering about durability and noise. The Wuven cleaner is built with high-quality ABS material, and the stainless steel sink ensures the unit is sturdy and corrosion-resistant. Plus, it's designed with 4 non-slip rubber feet that help minimize noise, so it can run quietly in the background without disrupting your daily activities. What makes this cleaner truly portable is its compact size. With a 180 milliliters capacity, it's lightweight enough to take with you while traveling, so you don't have to worry about missing out on keeping your dental accessories clean, whether you're at home or on the go. Its sleek, modern design also fits nicely on any bathroom countertop, adding a touch of style to your space. The versatility of the Wuven Ultrasonic Cleaner is another reason why it's such a great product. While it's perfect for aligners and dental tools, you can also use it to clean jewelry, electric toothbrush heads, pacifiers, and more. This makes it an all-around tool for keeping your small items in top condition. Looking for a gift for someone who wears braces or Invisalign? This ultrasonic cleaner is the ideal gift. It's practical, easy to use, and saves time, making it the perfect addition to anyone's dental care routine. Overall, if you want a fast, effective, and easy way to clean your aligners, dentures, or other dental accessories, the Wuven Ultrasonic Dental Cleaner is the best option out there. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews of top products like this one.